Welcome to this technical guide on stepper versus servo motors. We will compare these two digital actuators and help you choose the right one for precision control. We begin by exploring the mechanics of motion and how electromagnetic forces translate into precise movement, the foundation of how both motor types operate. Stepper motors are often called the open-loop workhorse. They provide reliable, incremental movement in discrete steps, typically operating without feedback. They have a high pole count for fine resolution and exceptional holding torque at a standstill. Servo motors are the precision masters. They utilize a closed-loop system with an encoder for dynamic feedback control. This allows them to correct errors in real time and maintain high speed and efficiency, drawing power based only on the load. Key differences include the control loop. Steppers are open loop, while servos are closed loop. Steppers are best at low speeds, whereas servos excel at high speeds. Steppers are affordable and simple. Servos are more expensive and complex to set up. Torque performance is a major distinction, especially at high speeds. Stepper motors lose torque rapidly as speed increases and can stall. Servo motors, however, provide consistent and high power across a wide speed range. The pole count impacts system complexity. Steppers use 50 or more poles for high precision without an external sensor. Servos use fewer poles but rely on an encoder for precision, enabling higher rotational speeds. Comparing engineering features, steppers have limited positional accuracy and higher operational noise but low maintenance. Servos offer extremely high, self-correcting accuracy, low noise, and operate cooler, but require moderate maintenance and tuning. Stepper motor applications include 3D printers, CNC routers, and low-speed conveyor belts. Servo applications are found in industrial robots, aircraft control surfaces, and high-speed packaging. When selecting a motor, consider your needs. Choose a stepper if budget is critical. Choose a servo if speed exceeds 2,000 RPM, the load is heavy, or missing a step is critical for precision. For industrial reliability, servo predictability is the gold standard. Digital motion control has evolved from basic DC motors to early open-loop steppers, then to micro-stepping for smoother motion, culminating in today's smart servos with AI-tuned closed loops and advanced integration.